everybody, it's Carla, PinkySugarArtsy. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these quick little gift card pouches, money pouches, and little gift pouches, all made with ribbon. This one I made with a large probably 5-inch ribbon, because this one's a 4-inch ribbon, and this is the one that we're going to make together. But I had this velvety ribbon that I've had in my stash for years, and I never knew what to do with them until a viewer asked. I asked for some suggestions on what I could do for Christmas, and my sweet little patron and friend on here on YouTube said to make some gift card holders for Christmas, and I thought that was a great idea. And then I started watching some videos, and I found this idea and a couple of others. I'm going to have another video coming out soon of a couple of other ideas that I've put together for gift card holders as well. But these are so cute and super easy, guys. So I thought I'd bring you along. This one is done. I could absolutely do a video on this one. I'll definitely link the inspiration video below for this version, or this whole version here. So this is a 3-inch ribbon, and that's the the size you're going to want to use for a gift card. It fits perfect, because in making these that are a 2-inch ribbon, although it looks like it's going to fit, once you glue it down, it doesn't fit. So these are actually more of a money holder pouch, little gift pouch. You could put some tea in here, definitely, a little sentiment. But I was leaning more towards like a little money pouch or a little jewelry pouch. You can absolutely store your jewelry pieces in these little pouches. And it's, easy. Just add your little embellishments that you may have, and you're good to go. So yeah, a 3-inch ribbon for a gift card is the sweet spot. So, or anything larger. We're going to make this one, which is a 4-inch. Okay, so I have my glue gun ready, and let's get started. Okay, I have my hot glue gun that I've been using, and basically all you do is you cut out however long you want it. Basically, I just used the gift card as a measuring tool. I don't like to measure things precisely. I just like to go with what feels right. So this one I had already glued down the edges when I said, you know what, I'm going to turn on the camera and I'm going to bring you guys along. So you just want to give it a little flap there and glue it down a little bit. And one more, just to give it a little weight, so when it folds down, it looks clean. it on that. Oh, actually, I should have done it this way. Glue it on the flap itself. That's okay. Okay. And then on this side, you just have to do it one time. I hope I'm in the frame. On the edge. I like this glue gun because it's not super high heat like my Surebonder. And it gets the job done. Okay, so that's it. Now we're just going to glue on either side. Just going to get it to where I want it. You can use your bone folder and kind of make a crease. And I like to use my little tool to hold things down sometimes. This is super quick and easy. Hope I'm in frame. Oh my goodness. You kind of want to stay as close to the edge as possible. Although this is a pretty wide ribbon, so yeah, when I saw it, I said, ooh, this will be a nice little pouch. You could gift all kinds of things in there. And it's so easy and inexpensive. You can make tons with as much ribbon, you know, as you get. You can make a lot of little gift pouches. Now, you know, a lot of people don't give money, or gift cards can get expensive, but you can definitely you know, use it for gift giving of some sort, even if it's just writing a little note. My husband has an uncle who doesn't want any gifts ever for his birthdays or Christmas. All he wants is a card. All he wants is a sentiment. And, you know, sometimes that's a better type of gift than even money. Something homemade, something handmade by a loved one is something special. You can even put a little tea bag in here. Hot chocolate, depending on how large you have it. A cookie, candy. It's you know, the ideas are endless depending on what you want to use it for. But super easy. And then you just embellish it with whatever you have. And I have lots of little, you know, gems and things that I'll be making more of these. I kind of liked this one because it's like a little yo-yo velvet flower with a gold button, but I can absolutely use anything. I also like to edge the sides or the flap here with another piece of ribbon to decorate it. No, I wanted to use this, so I'm gonna, oh, let me show you. I picked up these little goodies at the Hobby Lobby. This little wreath would be cute. I like that. They're little bells. Some little holly. This little moose. I'm going to be making more. I actually have some already made. I'm going to do another video and show you how, because these, you know, are a little girly, like for, you know, women, but I've made some for guys. So, and that's kind of where these would come in. So I'll do another video and show you what I did for guys. Because I have 3 boys and I always think about them as well, even though I'm super girly and love all things pink and glittery, and I always think of the guys as well. This can go either way, but once you put your embellishment, it's more for female. I think I'm just going to go with this one for now because I already had it out. Although this is so cute. Oh, it's sticky. Once I put it there, it's done deal. I don't think it's going to stick with this material, but I could always hot glue it. Oh, what do you guys think? I like the contrast here. I'm going to go with this one because I'm going to be making more anyways. I'll put this on another one. Because this is so super easy, you guys. That's it. It's done. And then you just put a little card in there. Where are the little cards I have? Done. So simple. And you can just go to town with these and embellish them in so many different ways. This one was quick and easy just for you guys. And these that I did, like I said, I'll be making more and I'll be putting them in my Etsy shop. All right, you guys, I hope you have a beautiful day and weekend ahead, and hope you've been inspired to start making your Christmas projects. All right, guys, see you in my next video. God bless and take care. Bye.